Now that you have a help desk set up, let's go over the options for managing live chat. Going to Help Desk Live Chats is where you can manage live chat when enabled for your help desk. At the top, there are tabs with additional tools you can use with chats. You can create canned responses to easily and quickly add common answers or responses when answering a chat. You can also set up introductions for each of your team members, which will automatically be included when they initially answer a chat. The main live chats dashboard is where the history of all your chats are stored. You can search and filter help desk and departments, as well as see who chats are assigned to. Below that, you can see which team members are online or offline. Here you can toggle on departments to enable live chat for yourself. Once live chat is enabled, there will be a blue bar at the bottom with a chat status counter. When someone visits the help desk, they can go to support to access live chat when available. When a new chat or answer is submitted, the chat banner will blink, and the counter will notify you. Click the blue banner to open the live chat slide out. The chat status will note open chats, new answers, new chats, and invitations from other agents to join their chat. Below that will be a list of active chats. You can click Enter Room to answer. Introductions will auto-send as the first response. You can add a canned response and send. If another chat comes in, you can navigate through them by clicking from the list. To end the chat, click the red phone icon at the top right. You can click the X to leave the room and remove it from your active chats list. To minimize the chat slide out and go back to the Kartra dashboard, click the arrow at the top right corner.